Now, very gently and slowly, looking at you, close your eyes. Now, take a deep breath in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. You can still settle your body. Sit in a very comfortable position. If you want to change your position, you can change your position now. Listen to my voice. Pay attention on my instruction. After once I start 1, 2, 3, you are not allowed to move. If you feel like itching, if you feel like I have to touch my body, please do not touch because that's a sign of releasing of your negative emotion. Allow your body to take all the instructions very sincerely, which I am going to give you. Now, listen to the music. Focus on your breath. Take a deep breath in from your nostrils and release from your mouth. Again, take a deep breath in and breathe out. One more time. Breathe in and breathe out. Take your entire focus on your solar, your navel. See a beautiful white light coming from the ground. And this beautiful white light entering in your body through your toe, as if a snake is biting you or crawling on your body. Just feel it. Feel the white light crawling on your body. Yes. Visualize a beautiful white, bright light snake sparkle, and it is moving from your and upwards to your thighs, and above to your root chakra, your genital part. The movement, it is moving in your root chakra. You're feeling a sensation or maybe itching. Feel it. Take your entire focus on your root chakra and feel that gently and slowly something is going inside you. And feel it more and more. The moment it is moving in your root chakra, it is collecting all the fear, stiffness, your worthiness, unworthiness feeling, also feeling very low and very angry. All those emotions is collecting like a vacuum cleaner. Now you can see this beautiful sparkle snake, which was bright, is now changing its color. Now the color is converted into little blackish. Stay and keep your mind there so that it can collect more of the negative emotion which is stuck on your root chakra. Today, I call upon all the ancestors, beautiful divine light, all the guiding spirits, ancestral bodies, animal spirits, divine team, and my spiritual team, my angelic realm, cheers, and Magori, Shiv, to come and take this entire journey for the entire 40 minutes of session with ease so that we can release all the stuck energies which are created by us for ourselves. Still, this energy is moving in your root chakra. Now let it take up little more up. Stay your focus, keep your focus on your sacral chakra, which is the lower abdomen. Just focus on my voice and the music. Feel your intestine. You can see your womb. See it. A beautiful structure of your. See your kidney. Bean-shaped kidney. Your urinal tract. Now this beautiful energy of serpent snake is moving towards your kidney, and wherever, whatever stuck emotion which can be converted into stone or any disease, it is taking all in its body. your past life, pain, emotions. Maybe you have gone through with miscarriages or infertility for some reasons, or maybe you are stored too much of negative emotion for your relationship with yourself and with your entire family, or maybe colleagues. This is a beautiful right time to give your entire stuck emotion to this beautiful magical segment. And just repeat in your mental screen. I allow you to take all my stuck emotions which are not helping me to live my spiritual journey, which are not helping me to realize that I am not a human being. I am a spiritual being, experience here to being human. The more you are giving the opportunity, you are able to receive the powerful energy from the universe after this cleansing process. So allow yourself to release the more you can. Feel that the snake is moving and dancing in your entire womb, sacral chakra, taking a circle. Take it further to your navel chakra. And the snake has become a little more darker. The solar plexus is the center of your all the finances, emotions, growth, love, everything. The belly fat, the weight which you all are carrying, excessive weight. That is all because you have stored a lot since your childhood. Now visualize what was the thing since your childhood till now which you wanted to release or ask from your parent, from your masters, but you did not get it. And you have still that feeling of rejection, disappointment, little anger also on your parents. They have not listened to you. Also, the responsibility which they have given you, even you were not able to take that responsibility at that time. The money which you wanted to have, but you could not have it right now. You also have that emotion of feeling little scared for money. When will I have it? This question comes in your mind. Also feel that you are sitting in a very dark place where only you and your stomach is talking. Your solar plexus is talking to you and asking you, do you really want to release all the negative emotion so that you can clear the way to attract your life partner or improve your relationships, not only with me, in fact, with your money, career, relationships, and health? Give your answers to your stomach, nod your head, and answer. Slowly, gently, look at that beautiful sparkle snake which has turned into little darker, is getting patches on its body. That patches are like yellow color patches. Give all the negative emotions to this beautiful, powerful serpent. It is going to help you a lot. Feel something is going from your stomach. Feel it tense, deep. Feel it more. Feel it. Slowly, gently, the serpent is becoming really, really, really darker because it has taken too much of negative emotions and pain from your many births. Feel the stiffness in your stomach. Feel it like it is squeezing. Feel it and allow your body to experience this. The beautiful time, my beautiful soul, to release your all the stuck emotion from your many births. Because of that, you were not able to attract and manifest. Feel it squeezing. Let the energy of serpent flow in your heart chakra. Swimming in your heart. And taking a round from your left to right. Feel it. It's going left and right and making a circle. And one by
Now we're free.
you're giving all your negative, all your stuck energies of rejection and overburden, unloved. You're releasing and one by one is becoming so light. Since your childhood till now, your soul has gone through a lot. You have seen many failures, fought all alone for your this journey. And this beautiful serpent has come to take all the limiting beliefs that you can't do it and to convert it into only you can do it. Release all the persons of your life, those who have really made you so uncomfortable, disrespected you, hurt you. It can be anyone, any situation. Just take out their name in your mental screen one by one. This is the beautiful time, my dear souls. Take out their names. It can be your boss, your ex-husband, your current boss, your employees, your fear, your doubt. Just release. Now from here onwards, the color of the snake is now becoming again little brighter. With this beautiful sound, let your that person release from your life this particular situation. Let them just see them. Looking at you with full of love. Look at their eyes. Feel them. They are now released from your foundations. The foundations which you have created for them to make you feel only panic, unloved, disrespected. But today, this beautiful energy, you are even their souls too. Opportunity to become more powerful by not only helping yourself but others too. Slowly, gently, see that beautiful serpent is converted into sparkle one more time. Like the moon which we have seen today. It is sparkling like that beautiful moon. Because from your heart, you have released all those pain, all those emotions which were not letting you go to grow, to feel blessed, to choose the best in you. But with this, you are free from your negativity. Just from here, the energy is shifted. You are ready to enter the beautiful energy. Your throat chakra is opened now to release that beautiful serpent from your throat towards your third eye, then from the crown chakra. Just be ready. Feel that the serpent is dancing in your throat. Feel that vibration. Feel it and let that collect all the stuck thyroid, food infection, stuck energies. You have not spoken to anybody. Just be ready to release. Take a deep breath in with a one go of 1, 2, 3. You need to see it, release it from your third eye to your crown chakra. Just calm down and one, and I would say release. You have to put your head a little backward, back side, and just let it go out. One, two, and 3. Bend your head, let it flow from your connected to the throat, universe. One is connected to the universe. Keep your head back, bend, and connect your third eye to the moon energy. Visualize the moon. Visualize the moon is just next to your head. Just next to your head. And take all the blessings from the moon. This is the time to still, if you have something in your heart, release it now. Speak out. Speak up. Speak whatever you have in your heart. This is the beautiful time to release. Talk to the moon. Talk to the moon right now. If you will not understand, speak out. Speak out. This is the time they can connect with you. They are already within you. Speak up. Speak louder. Do not speak in your heart. Speak out louder. Talk to your moon. Whatever you have, speak out. And just slowly, your head normal position.
बदले तेरे
This is
सारी
the energy
दुनिया भी दे दे अगर तो
and this
किसे
beautiful
दुनिया
song.
चाहिए तू है तो मुझे फिर और क्या चाहिए तू है तो मुझे
This is
फिर
the song
और क्या
for you
चाहिए
and for the moon.
किसी की ना मदद ना दुआ चाहिए
They're
तू
healing
है
you
तो मुझे फिर
and showing
और
you
क्या चाहिए
because on this beautiful planet, only you is the one who can take care of every single thing. You hold the hands on your heart
तू है तो मुझे फिर
and talk to yourself. Do you really
तू
want
है
somebody
तो
else to
मुझे
make you
फिर
happy?
और क्या चाहिए,
Or you are enough?
किसी की ना मदद ना दुआ चाहिए, तू है तो मुझे फिर और क्या चाहिए। तू ही रे, तू ही रे, तू ही रे,
Feel yourself.
तू ही रे, तू ही रे, तू ही रे, मेरी है तू मेरी, मैं हूँ तेरा रांझा। तू ही
Beautiful energy is inspiring
मैं हूँ
universe.
तेरा रांझा।
And this beautiful energy is the sun. Just take a deep breath in again and breathe out. Connect to your throat and feel that the moon wave of emotion is emerging in front of you. In the form of a beautiful shivling. And the shivling is becoming little bigger, more bigger, more bigger, and more bigger. Just look beautiful. Shivling. Center of shivling. Look at the third eye of Shivji. He is sending you the beautiful vibration of being nothingness. And making you realize the more you are connected to yourself, the more you are connected to the Om, the more you are connected to the nothingness. The universe is in you. You are the universe. Feel the vibration on your crown chakra. Visualize you are sitting near the seashore and only Shivling and you are sitting and talking to each other, looking at each other. There is no family, no friends, nothing. You are connecting to the Creator from whom you have been created. Join your both the hands in Namaskar position and bow your head and show your gratitude. Dear universe, thank you so much for giving me this 2024 and all many years which I have lived till now. I am ready for 2025 because I have released my all limiting beliefs, my grudges for no reasons. I'm so grateful to you, my dear universe, for creating such a beautiful space in my soul to manifest a beautiful life from now. I love you. And look at the Shivling. Shivling is smiling at you. He is your reflection. The more you are smiling, the Shivling is smiling more to you. The more you are serious, Shivling is also more serious. Now you decide. And he's saying Tathastu. He is also asking you to take care of yourself. Be the you. And this is a really divine guidance from the universe which I'm right now getting. The 2025 is bringing a lot of spirituality. Choose the right path. Live your luxury. But be a spiritual being which you are. Do not limit yourself for limited money, limited blessings. You are unlimited. You have unlimited. You have unlimited sun rays. You have unlimited samudra, sea. You have unlimited earth. There is no point to end. You have unlimited thoughts. You have unlimited God and goddesses. You have unlimited love. Are you still feeling that you have limited things? Are you still waiting that somebody will come and ask you that you are not good, you are bad? You are enough. Now repeat little louder. I am enough. I am abundant. I am fulfilled. I am magician. I am a magic. I have a power of Lord Shiva to bless somebody, to bless myself, to control my emotions, and control somebody who is not in my control, because I know how to control myself. I am also ready for the duality of the universe. I am ready for the success, ready for the failure. I am ready for the nothingness, and I am ready for everything. For next 15 seconds, any two things which you really want to manifest in 2025, that golden time is starting in just 5 seconds. Be very specific while asking from the universe. Your time starts now. Talk and ask with gratitude. Just relax and smile and say to yourself, Tathastu. Say to yourself, Tathastu and Tathastu. At this moment and for the entire timeline and lifetime, you are universe. So first bless always yourself. Say Tathastu to yourself every time from now onwards. Take your both the hands, keep it on your head. The way your parent bless you, how they bless, put your hands on your head, little above and bless yourself. And say, Tathastu, Meena. Tathastu, Tathastu, and Tathastu. Feel that energy in your entire body. Feel it right now. Feel it. Put your Reiki symbols, those who know, quickly put your Reiki symbols. And I'm also sending the symbols on you, those who don't know. You are protected. Now sit in a Gyan Mudra. Both the hands on your thighs. And take a deep breath in. And breathe out. One more time, breathe in and breathe out. Settle your energies. Feel this Om vibration in your entire room. Feel all the positive energies of the universe in your entire house. Your children, child, your husband, your partner. Every single thing which is belonging to you. Be it a pen or a matchbox, the kitchen or the washroom, the soap box or maybe the salt box. Everything is now cleansed and energized by the beautiful energy of the universe. Feel it. Now, whatever since January till now you wanted in your life but you could not get it, after the meditation, you will write name of the month and you will also write which you have not achieved, but you will write with thankfulness. Thank you, dear universe, for not receiving this, because I know you are planning the better for me. And then you will write January, your wish, February, your wish. That way you will write till December. 12 wishes, 12 months. And afterwards, next new moon meditation, we are going to manifest in a different way in next new moon meditation. Keep that diary with you. One number, just keep it in your mind right now. I'm sending the energy of that magical number. I'm sending you that energy to the universe. 00, repeat in your mind. 00, 10, 110. 00, 10, 110. 00, 10, 110. That is the universal light code number, which will really help you to manifest. And it's a divine number. And it is now attuned to your body. Feel the vibration. Rub your palm. Asana. And touch your face. Send your entire beautiful energy to your face, to your hand, to your thighs, and very gently and slowly. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Just open your eyes. I hope you all have enjoyed today.